Hey there! Welcome back to Biz Dev with Nnanna. Whether you're here to level up your business game, supercharge your personal life, or simply stop feeling like you're constantly chasing your to-do list, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into something that everyone talks about but few truly master: productivity. Now, let me ask you this. Have you ever had a day where you worked non-stop but still felt like nothing got done? Yeah, I've been there too. But here's the thing. Productivity isn't about being busy. It's about working smart and focusing on what really matters. Grab your notebook, your favorite drink, and let's crack the code on becoming the most productive version of yourself. Ready? Let's go. Section 1. Understanding productivity. Get real about it. Alright, before we jump into the hacks and strategies, let's set the record straight. What does productivity actually mean? Most people think productivity is about doing more, longer hours, endless multitasking, and filling every second of the day with something. But here's the truth. Productivity is about impact, not activity. It's about doing the right things at the right time to get closer to your goals. Think about it this way. Imagine you're climbing a ladder. Productivity isn't just climbing faster. It's making sure your ladder is leaning against the right wall in the first place. Why spend all your energy climbing, only to realize you're in the wrong place? So, step 1 is all about shifting your mindset. Stop equating productivity with busyness. Focus on progress toward what truly matters, whether that's growing your business, hitting personal milestones, or just having more time for what you love. Section 2. The power of prioritization. Make it work for you. Now that we've redefined productivity, let's talk about one of its most important pillars: prioritization. Have you ever felt completely overwhelmed, staring at a mountain of tasks, not knowing where to start? Yeah, same here. That's where prioritization swoops in to save the day. It's not about doing everything, it's about doing the right things. One of the best tools for this is the Eisenhower Matrix. Let me break it down for you. Urgent and important. These are your non-negotiables. They demand your immediate attention. Think deadlines or crises. Not urgent but important. These are the gold mines. Tasks that move you closer to your goals, but don't scream for your attention. This is where true progress happens. Urgent but not important. These are distractions disguised as priorities. Delegate these if possible. Not urgent and not important. And these, cut them. Seriously, they're just wasting your time. Here's the kicker. Most people spend their days trapped in urgent but not important tasks, like constant emails or unnecessary meetings, while ignoring the big picture stuff. Sound familiar? The goal is to focus your energy on the first 2 categories. Things that are important, whether they're urgent or not. That's how you stop spinning your wheels and start making real progress. So, here's a challenge for you. Take 10 minutes today to categorize your tasks into these 4 boxes. You'll be surprised how much clarity you gain just by doing this exercise. Once you start working on what's important, you'll see how much more productive and fulfilled you feel. Prioritization isn't just a productivity tool. It's a game changer for your mindset. Section 3. The time blocking technique. Mastering your schedule. Now that you know how to prioritize, let's talk about a powerful method to take control of your day: time blocking. Time blocking is exactly what it sounds like. You allocate specific blocks of time to specific tasks. This simple technique helps you avoid multitasking, eliminate decision fatigue, and ensure that the important stuff actually gets done. Here's how it works. 1. Start with your priorities. Use the Eisenhower Matrix from earlier to decide which tasks deserve your focus. 2. Open your calendar and block time for those tasks. Make it non-negotiable. Treat it like a meeting with your future success. 3. Include everything: work, breaks, even downtime. Yes, breaks are productive because they keep your mind sharp and focused. For example, from 9 to 10 a.m., you might block time for answering emails. From 10:30 a.m. to 12 p.m., it's all about deep work on a big project. And don't forget lunch or a quick walk to recharge around noon. The key is to stick to the schedule. When the clock says it's time to switch tasks, switch. Even if you're in the middle of something. This keeps your momentum going throughout the day. Time blocking doesn't just make you more productive. It gives you freedom. Why? Because you've already decided how you'll spend your time, leaving no room for procrastination or decision overload. Section 4. Eliminate distractions. Protect your focus. Now let's tackle something that steals your productivity daily: distractions. Think about it. How often do you get derailed by a notification, a phone call, or even just the urge to check Instagram? These interruptions seem small, but they add up to hours of lost focus every week. The first step is to identify your distractions. Is it your phone, social media, noise in your environment? Once you know what's pulling your attention, you can take action. Here are some quick fixes. Turn off notifications. Use Do Not Disturb mode during focus time. Use website blockers. Tools like Freedom or Cold Turkey can help you avoid the temptation of scrolling endlessly. Create a dedicated workspace. If you're working from home, set up a spot that's just for work and make it off limits for distractions. One trick I love is the Pomodoro technique. You work for 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break and repeat. After 4 cycles, you take a longer 15 to 30-minute break. It's simple but incredibly effective at keeping your focus sharp. Remember, distractions aren't just external, they can also be mental. Keep a notepad nearby to jot down random thoughts or tasks that pop into your head while working. That way, you can revisit them later without losing focus. Section 5. Energy management. Fuel your productivity. Here's something most people forget when talking about productivity. It's not just about managing your time. It's about managing your energy. Think about it. You can have all the time in the world, but if you're mentally or physically drained, you won't get much done. That's why understanding your energy levels is key. First, figure out when you're naturally at your peak. Are you a morning person who feels unstoppable at a.m.? Or do you hit your stride in the afternoon or evening? Plan your most important and demanding tasks during these high-energy windows. Second, take care of your body. Productivity thrives on a healthy foundation. Eat well. Opt for balanced meals with protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs to keep your energy steady. Avoid sugar crashes. Stay hydrated. Even mild dehydration can hurt your focus and mood. Keep a water bottle handy. Sleep enough. No hack or trick can replace the power of a good night's sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours per night. Finally, don't underestimate the power of breaks. A quick walk, some deep breaths, or even a 5-minute stretch can re-energize you for hours. Energy management isn't just about being productive. It's about being sustainable. You can't give your best to your work, your goals, or the people around you if you're running on empty. So prioritize your well-being. It's the ultimate productivity hack. Section 6. Leverage tools and automation. Work smarter, not harder. Let's face it, in today's world, technology is your secret weapon for productivity. Why spend precious time on repetitive tasks when tools and automation can do the heavy lifting? Here's the deal. The right tools can save you hours each week and help you stay organized, focused, and on top of your game. Here are a few must-haves. Task management. Apps like Trello, Asana, or Notion help you organize tasks, set deadlines, and track progress. Automation. Tools like Zapier or IFTTT connect your apps and automate repetitive tasks, like saving email attachments directly to cloud storage. Calendar management. Google Calendar or Outlook can help you schedule, time block, and get reminders for your priorities. Focus boosters. Apps like Forest or Freedom block distractions, so you can focus on what matters most. Here's a quick example. Let's say you get dozens of emails daily. Instead of manually organizing them, use filters to sort emails into folders automatically. That's time saved without lifting a finger. The key is not to overwhelm yourself with too many tools. Choose a few that solve your biggest pain points and let them work for you. By leveraging technology and automation, you free up your energy for tasks that actually need your brain power. Remember, productivity isn't just about effort, it's about efficiency. All right, let's recap what we've covered in your ultimate guide to productivity. 1. Redefine productivity. It's about progress, not busyness. 2. Prioritize wisely using tools like the Eisenhower Matrix. 3. Time block your day to control your schedule and stay on track. 4. Eliminate distractions to protect your focus and get in the zone. 5. Manage your energy by working with your natural rhythms and prioritizing your health. 6. Leverage tools and automation to work smarter, not harder. Productivity isn't just a skill, it's a lifestyle. It's about making intentional choices every day to align your actions with your goals. And remember, small changes compound over time. Start with one tip from this guide, and you'll see the difference in no time. Before you go, let's keep this conversation going. Drop a comment below and tell me which tip resonated with you the most. Got a productivity hack of your own? Share it. I'd love to hear. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on these game-changing strategies. Together, we're building a community of goal-getters and action-takers. Thanks for watching, and remember, productivity isn't about doing more, it's about doing what matters. See you in the next video.